What's up, Wave Trains? Thank you for coming back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you a few things that that I got for Elijah's class for Valentine's Day. So, first thing I got, I'm going to make something for his teacher, just a little box of stuff. Got this nice little box that says love, and it velcros and it opens up. And I got her a candle, hearts, and that'll fit right in there. That's cute. And then I got her a bath bomb. Got these from the dollar store. That'll go in there also, and then I'll probably put like some Hershey Kisses or something in there. So yeah, that's that. That's what I got for the teacher. I also found this really pretty candle holder. It says Believe. I got it because it's purple. So yeah, that's why I got that. And that's not for her, that's for me. Yeah, I saw it and I wanted it. Should have had these bags already open before I started recording, but y'all know me, I do things in one take. So the things for his class, I got the little bags. Oops, I have to throw it that way. Just a little cellophane goodie bags. And then stickers. Got those set. I got these ones. Yes, I think it's 25 or 26 kids in his classroom, so we can mix and match these. Then I also got them, I did get something, just some mini blow pops. Spend time in here, that means I'm gonna have some for myself. And then I got these really cute things. He loves these. He gets these every Valentine's Day. They're these little balloons, and you like smack it, like you have to like punch it. It says it on the back, you see. You have to like punch it, and then it self-inflates, and it's a little balloon. So I got those, and then he picked out, well, I picked out Power Ranger Valentine cards. So that's what is going to go in the goodie bags for his class. So they got stickers, a balloon, a Valentine card, and a sucker. Put it all in the bag, tie it up, bam. There you go. Happy Valentine's Day. So that's what I got. I wanted to show you, I have not painted it yet, but it's a canvas art that I'm working on. I wanted to say in my older videos, when I would leave my sit down videos, I would say live you, love you, be you. However, for this size canvas, this is an 8x10, it wasn't big enough to fit the whole thing like I wanted it to. So it just says this: live, love, be you. I think that's cute. And of course I'm gonna use like the sponge thing, and I'm gonna go over it. And of course, can you guys guess what color it's gonna be? Give you 5 seconds. Okay, put your guess down below if you can guess what color I'm gonna paint this. What color the letter's gonna be. So yeah, I'm doing that one. I bought this canvas, this one from Five Below. It was $5, but I did find some that are flat, so they're not like the box like this. They're just flat canvases. They were 3 in a pack at Walmart for $2.97. Now I'm gonna tell y'all a tip. Sorry, excuse my nose. If you go in the kids section of the arts and crafts, they're cheaper over there. They're still same canvas. They still are 8x10s. Then they have big ones, but they are like $1 or so cheaper than in the adult arts and crafts section. Okay, so yes, if you go to Walmart, then you will find those canvases there. If you want to just do one, because you know how they have at the stores, they have like the different canvas art, and they say like different inspirational words and everything. It's like, why spend money like $8, $12, depending on what size it is, on canvas art when you can just do it yourself. So when I decide to paint this later on, sometime this week, I will record it and show what it looks like when I'm done. But I just want to show it in this video real fast. But yeah, that's the things that I got for Valentine's Day. Probably gonna make bags for all the ladies in my family, my mom, my aunts. I guess I'll give my sister something. And my cousin. So probably the same thing, just some candy and nice little candle and something else. Just say, hey, happy Valentine's Day, I love you. And that's also my cousin's birthday, but he's away at school and he's gonna be 21. I'm just not ready. He was my first baby. Like, that was my aunt's first and only child, but he was my baby. Oh, 21, y'all. 21. And do y'all understand that my baby, mine, Elijah, the one that has my face, he's about to be 7. He's going to be 7 the end of this month. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. He's almost in junior high school. Might as well be in junior high. He's 7. That next step is junior high school. What am I gonna do, y'all? What am I gonna do? But anyways, that's just a quick Valentine's Day haul of what I got for Elijah's class. Quick gift ideas. If you are thinking of something, if you have kids in school, you're like, oh my god, what can I get? Go to the dollar store. Go to the dollar store, hook them up, get them a nice little candle, this little box with some candy in it, make it look all cute. Boom, boom. You know, they got the little stuffed animals there. Put one of those in there. There it is. There it is. Balling on a budget. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Leave a comment of what is your favorite candy to get on Valentine's Day, or what your favorite candy is in general. Mine is what is my favorite candy? Oh, Snickers, peanut M&Ms, or Crunch Bars. And if you're going the sweet route, Starburst or Skittles. I prefer the all pink Starburst, but those were only a limited edition. So yeah, if I go to Party City, I can pick out all the pink ones and I can buy them. Okay, I'm rubbing on enough. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please thumbs up this video. Tell someone about it if you like DIYs or anything like that. Just, you know, a mom out here trying to make it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.